Clear visibility in winter conditions can mean the difference between safety and disaster on the road. That's why choosing the right winter windshield wipers is crucial. After testing dozens of models in harsh weather conditions, these 5 options stand out for their performance and reliability. The links to these winter windshield wipers are in the description below. Let's examine what makes each one special. Starting with number 5, the AUTOBOO windshield wiper blades bring solid performance to the table. This dual pack combines durability with practical design for year-round performance. The red armor coating adds significant structural integrity while protecting the internal components from harsh weather elements. Actually, the high-tensile spring steel maintains consistent pressure across your windshield, eliminating those frustrating streaks and missed spots. Testing revealed these wipers performed well through 1.5 million cycles, demonstrating impressive longevity. If you're dealing with heavy rain, the aerodynamic design helps prevent liftoff at higher speeds. Because of its universal hook design, installation takes mere minutes. You know what makes these wipers particularly effective in winter? The bracketless design prevents snow and ice buildup, a common issue with traditional wipers. What makes these wipers practical? Quick installation with universal hook design, all-season performance capability, even pressure distribution system, memory steel construction, aerodynamic design for reduced noise. Moving to our 4th spot, the Michelin Stealth Ultra introduces innovative smart hinge technology that transforms winter driving visibility. This design proves especially valuable during heavy snowfall, preventing ice and debris from disrupting performance. The patented smart hinge cover acts as a protective shield, keeping the critical components free from winter's harsh elements. Because of its advanced engineering, the blade maintains optimal contact pressure even as temperatures fluctuate. You don't need to worry about uneven cleaning. The independent suspension system allows the blade to maintain consistent contact across various windshield curves. If you're concerned about durability, independent tests confirm these wipers outperform competitors after 300,000 wipe cycles. Actually, the Easy Lock connector system makes replacement a breeze, even in cold weather when your fingers aren't at their most nimble. Key advantages include smart hinge joint system, protected blade design, independent suspension, easy lock installation, verified 300,000 cycle durability. Let's examine our 3rd choice. The AERO Voyager brings exceptional value with its complete package and thoughtful design features. These wipers include extra rubber refills, effectively doubling their service life, a practical consideration for cost-conscious drivers. The Teflon-coated rubber compound delivers consistent performance across varying temperatures, making them reliable for year-round use. You know what sets these apart? The specially blended rubber maintains flexibility even in extreme cold, preventing the cracking and splitting that often plague lesser wipers. Because of its direct OEM replacement design, these wipers meet or exceed factory specifications for quality and safety. If you're dealing with specialized weather conditions, the all-season capability handles everything from ice and snow to acid rain and salt water. Actually, the hassle-free installation system works with both J-hook and U-hook wiper arms, eliminating compatibility concerns. Notable features: factory-grade OEM quality, additional squeegee refills included, multi-weather compatibility, Teflon-enhanced rubber, 1-year warranty coverage. Our runner-up deserves special attention. Rain X Latitude 2-in-1 revolutionizes the traditional wiper concept with its innovative dual-action approach. These wipers don't just clear water, they actively apply a water-repellent coating to your windshield during operation. The beam-style design maintains uniform pressure points, ensuring consistent performance even in extreme conditions. Because of its advanced engineering, water beads up and rolls off your windshield more effectively than with conventional wipers. You know what makes these particularly effective? The universal adapter system fits 96% of vehicles, while the advanced beam technology hugs your windshield's curvature for optimal cleaning. Actually, the extreme weather design handles everything from ice and sleet to summer downpours with equal effectiveness. If you're looking for long-term performance, the water repellent formula extends visibility benefits beyond just wiping. Standout characteristics: dual action water repellent formula, advanced beam technology, universal adapter system, all-weather performance, enhanced visibility system. And now for our top recommendation. The TRICO Diamond claims the #1 position through superior engineering and unmatched versatility in challenging conditions. These wipers demonstrate exceptional performance up to 135 miles per hour, maintaining stability in conditions where other wipers falter or lift off the windshield. The high-glide treated rubber delivers smooth, quiet operation while ensuring maximum visibility in all weather conditions. Because of its advanced pressure application system, these wipers maintain consistent contact across the entire length of the blade, eliminating streaks and missed spots. You know what makes these truly stand out? The wind-resistant aerofoil design keeps the blades firmly against your windshield even in severe weather conditions. Actually, the quick installation system works with various arm types, making replacement a straightforward process even in cold weather. If you're concerned about noise, the super smooth glide technology ensures quiet operation without the chattering common in lesser wipers. Premium features include high-speed stability design, multi-vehicle compatibility, treated rubber for smooth operation, edge-to-edge cleaning, quick installation system. In conclusion, while each of these wipers offers unique advantages, the TRICO Diamond emerges as the clear winner for winter conditions. Its combination of stability, performance, and smooth operation makes it the optimal choice for maintaining clear visibility during challenging weather. Remember to check your vehicle's specific requirements before making a final decision. Your safety depends on having the right equipment for your needs. Want more vehicle maintenance tips and product reviews? Check out our other videos on keeping your car winter ready. The link to these wipers and our detailed comparison chart is in the description below.